Hello again. Following the earlier excitement about some snow in London and the home counties, well, it's brighter skies for the rest of the day and just a few showers, mainly towards the northwest. Feeling cold in the wind, nevertheless, despite some sunshine. Best of the sunshine, southern and eastern parts of the UK once the cloud breaks up, and further north and west we'll see further showers. Western Scotland, Northern Ireland into northwest England. Showers, rain at lower levels generally, but above 200-300 metres we can expect further snow and perhaps another couple of centimetres or so over the higher ground of Western Scotland. These are the temperatures that we'll find on the thermometers at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but in the wind it will feel closer to freezing. Now through the latter part of Thursday, skies clear widely, most places dry. Under those clear skies, temperatures falling, a frost forming. Further showers into western Scotland and Northern Ireland, northwest England for a time. But towards the end of the night, wet weather starts to turn up. That will keep the temperatures from falling that far in the southwest, but elsewhere, fairly widely frosty start to the day on Friday. Plenty of bright weather. Scotland, much of central and eastern England. Quite quickly, though, it turns cloudy and this rain moves in. Initially light, initially some snow over the Welsh mountains, more especially the higher ground of northern England, central, southern Scotland, and perhaps to lower levels for a time for parts of central Scotland. It turns up around the warmer part of the day, so I don't think it will cause too many issues. For example, through the central belt, just some slush, I think, at the very lowest levels, but snow building up above 150-200 metres for the far northeast of England, central parts of and southern parts of Scotland. But it's the rain that is of more concern. Once that rain sets in, it's going to be heavy and persistent over the higher ground of western Britain, perhaps easing for a time later Friday. But the wind's also a key feature of the weather, strengthening through the southwest. And you can see the temperature contrast there, 11-12 Celsius with the mild wet weather in the southwest. For the east, those temperatures much slower to pick up, feeling cold once the rain sets in eastern England, southern and central Scotland. This is Storm Jorge, named by the Spanish because of impacts in Spain, but also bringing some wet weather Friday into start of Saturday, and then a strengthening of the winds later Saturday and Saturday night. Let's focus on the rain first of all. The rain continuing through Friday night, and it's over Western Hills where that rainfall will be particularly heavy and persistent, likely to lead to localised flooding, and especially South Wales of concern because of already saturated ground. But the worst of the wet weather is out of the way for the start of Saturday, then brighter skies follow, but also further showers into mainly western parts of the country during Saturday afternoon. The wind picks up as those showers arrive. Showers falling as rain at lower levels, snow above around 200 or 300 metres, and the wind making it feel particularly cold. Temperatures on the thermometer, 8 or 9, feeling again closer to freezing. That wind particularly strong later Saturday into the start of Sunday. Widely gales across Northern Ireland, much of England, Wales, southern Scotland. Gusts of 50 miles an hour and perhaps more in exposed locations. So lots of weather happening at the moment, and the best way to stay up to date, of course, as always, follow us on social media. Bye-bye.